Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here again to give you another tip of the week.
I'm Linda, and I'm going to demonstrate a 1/4-inch foot on the Brother machine and how you can use it to make your quilt pieces with a good 1/4-inch seam. So and I'm doing this on the Brother BQ 1350. Great machine. Look at this nice bed. And you got a big 8.5-inch spread here. It'll make all your quilting easy. Easy peasy. Also, this is the 1/4-inch foot with a guide. We also have the 1/4-inch foot without the guide. And I'll show you how that works. And you line up the edge of your fabric right on the edge of that guide. And you can start sewing. And it'll make a nice 1/4-inch seam. Also, I want to demonstrate this roll and press that is made by Clover. We have one in the... Now, this just, you can roll this on your seam, and you don't even have to get up and go to the ironing board. Just makes it work so much easier.
If you don't mind.
We also, last week, did some half square triangles, and you can use this to press those so that you can then put them together for a pinwheel for adding to your quilts or to the border. How about a diamond? There we go. Here is the Brother foot with the 1/4-inch guide. This is the package for the one without the 1/4-inch guide. And we also sell this one for your featherweight with 1/4-inch guide, which is real helpful in those little baby machines. And you'll use all of these items in the Jelly Roll Quilt Pup, that virtual class that will be July 18th. And the cost for that class is $50. So y'all come and join us online.
Thanks again for joining us for another tip of the week. Take care. Bye-bye.